All right, so we have this demand function and we need to find the elasticity of demand when x equals to 9. So we know our elasticity equation is just demand over x times the derivation of the demand. So let's start by finding p prime x. I need to derive this function. So I'm going to rewrite this function with an exponent to make it a bit easier to derive. So minus 2x to the power of 1 over 2. Then if I derive this equation, derivation of 40 is just 0. The negative derivation of negative 2x 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 times negative 2 is just negative 1. And this is going to be, if I subtract 1 from the exponent, I get negative 1 over 2. This is just negative 1 over x to the power of half on negative 1 over root x. So now let me sub everything into this equation. I can actually find my values as well before I sub it in. So I'll start by finding p of 9. So p of 9 is just 40 minus 2 square root 9, which is 40 minus 2 times 3, which is just 40 minus 6, which is 34. So p of x is just 34. X is just 9. And p prime x, I'll find p prime 9 over here. Just subbing in 9 into this equation, just negative 1 over 3. So that's basically the elasticity over here. 9 times negative 1 over 3 is just negative 3. So I have 34 over negative 3, which is basically just negative 34 over 3. Now remember, if the magnitude of this number is greater than 1, it's going to be elastic. If the magnitude is between 0 and 1, it's inelastic. Over here, the magnitude of negative 34 over 3 is just 34 over 3. Since this is greater than 1, magnitude is elasticity. Since this is greater than 1, we know that this is going to be elastic.